Ara, nan. Nan. Yabang-yabang kasi.
So, just download the Believe app.
Nan. Oh, masira yan.
Mobile number and your email address. Just put your personal details like name and address. Of course, mag-selfie tayo. Need mo lang din ng one valid ID. And lastly, one You're done. Your Believe account.
Parang gumagaling ka na ng ganyan ah. Ha?